Hi, boys and girls. For our craft today, we are going to make a tortoise, okay? So before we get started, if you could trace these onto your green piece of paper, we're gonna cut these out, okay? So we can go ahead and cut these out because these are our parts to a turtle. And if you would rather parents cut these out for your kids, you can do that too, okay? So there's the turtle head, or the tortoise's head, excuse me. And then he should have 4 legs. 4 legs. 1. 2. 3. 4. All right, and then the next step is kind of fun, so you definitely want to get your kids involved with this one. We're just going to rip the paper into little pieces, and we're going to make this part of the shell of the turtle, okay? So you're going to do this with green, yellow, and brown. All right, so you should have a couple pieces of green, maybe a couple pieces of brown. And you can get crazy with this. You can make them really little, or you can make them really big, whatever you want. It's going to be your creation. Let's go ahead and get some yellow pieces. All right. So once you get a couple of good pieces, we can always come back and rip more if we need to. All right, so you should have a pile like this of a bunch of ripped pieces of paper. So you're gonna grab your paper plate that I sent home with you, and what we're going to do next is we're gonna start putting these pieces of paper onto our paper plate. So you can grab a couple of pieces, you can make a pattern out of it if you want, or you don't have to have any pattern at all. See, you'll just glue different pieces onto your paper plate. All right, see how it's coming together? You can glue some pieces on top of each other too. Whatever you want. And if you find that you need some more ripped pieces, just rip some more pieces up. See? Just like that, okay? We're still doing this. We're just gluing all the pieces down. All right, so there's mine. Yours should look something just like you want it to look like, okay? So now that we have all the pieces on our turtle shell, what we can do is we're gonna take the inside of the plate, okay? Where if you were actually using this plate to eat food, where you would put the food, you're gonna put the head at the top. And you can determine where the head is on yours. but I'm gonna put mine right here at the top. Whoopsies, looks like I lost a couple. Whoopsies. That's okay, I'll fix it. There we go. All right, and then that little piece, I'll put his head right here. And if you find that it's easier to tape it, you can tape it too. I'm gonna put his head at the top there. And then in 4 different places, I'm gonna put his legs, okay? One leg. Two legs. See how mine's starting to look? Got a head and 2 legs, and then I'm gonna add the other 2 legs. And there we go. There is my tortoise. Awesome job, boys and girls. You did so great doing a craft with me. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.